Hello friends, welcome to SDT Abhijit. In today's session, we write a logic for print a number in Fibonacci series. For that, we want to know what is Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci number is the addition of first two numbers is known as Fibonacci series. The addition of that all numbers is the Fibonacci series. So let's build a logic for that. We take int n equals to is a final number that is till then we want to print our logic. So we take it as 50. Then first term. Remember, first term is always 0. Then second term is 0. After 0, there is a 1. So second term 1. So let's build the logic for this. There is a we want to do increment, so we use for loop for in I equals to 1. Then I less than or equals to n is a condition. Then I plus plus is a increment. So let's first we want to print this increment. So system dot out dot println of first term, then separator, then there is a space between them. So this is for only increment. So actual logic is here final term is equal to first term plus second term, then here in. So then first term first term equals to second, control V equals to second term, then the last is second term equals to. So this is a logic to write a number in Fibonacci series. So let's run it and see what is the output of this code. So friends, as you see, the output for this code is shown in our console box. So there is a comma we need to replace. If we replace this comma and replace this ln in ln, so we take it output as like this, as we shown in console box. So this is output for print of Fibonacci number up to 0 to 15. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and support guys. We will meet in next session. Till then, take care. Bye.